Hi, this is Junxiang. This is a guide on how to get Meeting SDK C# wrapper version 5.17.1. Working on Windows 11 and Visual Studio 2022. First thing I will work on is I'll work on the x86 project. All right, I will probably open the C# wrapper and I'll open the solution. For this, I will upgrade to .NET Framework 4.8. I will select the SDK version as 10 and the platform toolset will be 143. So some things I need to take note is, first I need to change this to release. Next thing I need to change in the configuration manager is that I need to change this to 64-bit. Okay. We'll check this to build as well. Another thing that I need to double check is on the properties. Both of them are going to be using the same version of .NET Framework. This is 4.7.2, and let's check this. This is 4.7.8. 4.8, sorry. Let's change this to 4.7.2. All right. And let's target this as the startup project. If I remember correctly, there's one more part where I need to be sure I don't prefer 32 bits. Okay. And for this, let me check it as 64. That I started build. This will build SDK and the wrapper. Meanwhile, let me generate a SDK key. Just allow access to internet. Here is in the JWT token which I have generated. And this should show you this prompt. All right. Next, I will need to show you x86 or the 32-bit version as well. Go back to project which I have uploaded on x86. C# wrap, look for the project file over here, or the solution file, sorry. Right. The upgrade, okay. USK version 10, platform toolset 143. All right, so going through the similar motion, configuration manager, make sure that we change this to release, and this is set to Win32. Okay, first time I will need to build this as well, and set this as the startup project. All right, the key difference is over here, properties. I no longer need to set this because this is 32-bit. So checking this doesn't matter. If I do a start, build, let me copy back the same exact JWT token. A bit, so just a bit about Right, same thing. Allow internet access. And now paste the same JWT token rule off. It should bring me to the start page where I can start to join or start a meeting. That's all on how to get. Let's see, this is Meeting SDK for Windows C# wrapper 5.17.1 running on Windows 11 and Visual Studio 2022.